In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat button to your website using the Hosting a Website Builder. This is a great way to connect with your visitors or customers conveniently and encourage direct communication. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Hosting a Website editor. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar where you'll find various options. You might see a More button, or it could be represented by three little dots, commonly used for additional actions or settings. Click on that and it will reveal more features that you can incorporate into your website. As you access the additional options, scroll through and look for the WhatsApp feature. Clicking on WhatsApp will prompt you to fill in a couple of fields. Here's where you can add your contact number and craft a default message. The phone number should be the one linked to the WhatsApp account you wish to use. This makes it easy for your visitors to contact you directly with just a click. As for the default message, this can be a welcoming or introductory note for anyone who reaches out via your website. It serves as an inviting prompt, setting the tone for the conversation. Next, once you have filled in your details, it's important to save your changes. Click on the Save button. Now, keep in mind, this might take a moment. The system is updating your site with the new settings you've just made, integrating that chat feature seamlessly into your existing layout. After the saving process is complete, move forward by clicking on Update Website. This step is crucial because it finalizes the changes you've made, making sure they go live. Updating sometimes takes a minute or two, so while you're waiting, it might be a good idea to double check your fields to ensure everything is accurately entered. Once the update is done, go ahead and view your website. You can do this by clicking the View Website button in your editor. This allows you to see the finished product as visitors will. Navigate through your site and check for the WhatsApp chat button you've just implemented. Finally, you'll notice on your site where the WhatsApp button appears. Clicking on this button should redirect you straight to WhatsApp, where you can start a chat with your website visitors. And there you have it. Your WhatsApp chat button is now live, and you're set up to engage directly with your audience. With this handy feature, you're opening up a direct line of communication, making it easier for your website visitors to reach you instantly. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification.